dude, you want to work on this super cool project from KnoPro? It's about how AI can improve your favorite business.
I wish I could, man, but I have this 10-page outline for my history class due tomorrow.
Ha, say no more. Our solution for the KnoPro challenge will make sure that next time you have an outline, you can finish it no matter how long it is without breaking a sweat. Hello, I'm Omkar Sudeshwaran, the co-developer of the new Google Study Buddy.
And I'm Naranjan Janardhan, the other co-developer, and today we're going to show you what this app is and how it works.
That's right.
Our idea combines AI with existing Google features like Classroom and Calendar to help students organize their work and build essential time management skills. Google Study Buddy decreases the time wasted and increases the productivity by helping organize the work evenly.
Over 90% of college students, according to the American Psychological Association, and 85% of high schoolers suffer from procrastination issues. This often happens when students don't have a clear plan of what to do or put off work to the last minute. First off, our study buddy helps students break down their classwork into manageable pieces using AI to optimally split it up. For example, if your teacher assigns you 40 pages to read in 3 days, Study Buddy will split the assignment so that you would only have to read 13 to 14 pages each day.
Omkar, what if I like reading the entire section in one go, or if I don't like leaving off in the middle of the chapter?
Well, Naranjan, since it's an AI tool, you can tell it about your preferences and events so that you can have a study plan that you want to follow. Additionally, you can use Google Calendar to work around events like recitals or competitions to make sure you have a lighter load that day.
But you know me, Omkar, even if it's laid out all in front of me, I'll still procrastinate and end up tired and stressed.
Well, Naranjan, we thought about that as well. Study Buddy can give you helpful nudges and notifications throughout the day so that it can make sure that you're not spiraling into distractions. We can also use this data so that Study Buddy can know when you're most vulnerable to procrastination and how to deal with it.
This is really cool, Omkar, but can this help me study for those pesky history tests?
Of course it can. Google Study Buddy's study feature allows you to import lecture notes, audio recordings, or any syllabus so that it can help you study. Different ways it can help you do this are by creating flashcards, AI-powered videos, and mini exams using material you provided.
Wow, that's awesome. But what if I'm the type of person who just can't stay focused? You know, my brain just drifts off sometimes.
Well, this is where Focus Time Buddy kicks in. This Google Study Buddy can link with your Chrome browser to make sure that distracting sites like TikTok and Instagram are blocked off when you have scheduled timing sessions.
So you're basically telling me that it acts like my mom, keeping me off my phone when I have work to do?
Well, kind of, but way cooler. Instead of forcing you to be outside of your distracting sites, it can give you a cool notification like, "Hey, TikTok can wait. Let's knock out that outline first."
Man, I could really use this. But how does it help me in the long run?
This is where our next feature comes in, the habit tracker. Study Buddy logs your progress in Google Sheets, but we've turned it into a personalized tracker where you can check off tasks and see your progress over time.
That's so cool. But I have one last question. How does this know why I procrastinate?
That's where the procrastination analyzer kicks in. It uses Google Trends and your own activity data to figure out when you are most likely to procrastinate. If you're most likely to procrastinate every Friday afternoon, Google Study Buddy can use this to change your schedule to make sure that you have a lighter workload during that time or offer even more motivation.
Students who have a defined study plan average a GPA of 3.7 compared to those who don't, who have averaged a GPA of 3.1.
Seeing this, Google Study Buddy is for sure going to be able to help countless students as it also is integrated with services we use every single day.
In order to see how we can make this a reality, we looked into Google Classroom and Gemini's APIs, which let us use Google services in our own code. We faced many challenges in this process, such as figuring out Google's authentication process and combing through the documentation to come up with a prototype.
With this application, it's basically having my personal coach, my own mother, and my tutor rolled into one.
Exactly. With Google Study Buddy, procrastination doesn't stand a chance and success becomes second nature.
As the challenge entitles, we chose Google, or specifically Google Classroom services, and used AI to make it better. Here's a quick rundown of the final idea. Thank you.